Assalamualaikum. Ini Newspapaer Indonesia ya?
Ya, Newspapaer Indonesia.
Saya mau satu.
Yang apa?
Yang mana bagus?
Ya, Kompas.
Kompas? Oke.
Kompas.
Oke, satu kompas. Oke, thank you. Berapa harga?
9.000.
Selamat pagi everyone, it's me from Yogyakarta. It's the final day on Yogyakarta and today morning I'm going to taste Indonesian breakfast as you see, and after that I will go to train station to go back to the Jakarta. But first of all, let's try Indonesian breakfast. As you see, we have ayam crispy, I think, and also we have noodles and rice, and also we have tea. Let's go. It's delicious. Okay, it's early morning on Yogyakarta and this is Jalan Malioboro, and as you see, so many people are going to work or going to university or something just like that. Let me show you. This is the street and it's so beautiful right now. Also, I want to buy some water or minimum, I don't know. And as you see, it's early morning on Jalan Malioboro and I'm going to Yogyakarta station exactly in front of me. It's about 15 minutes walk and this is Jalan Malioboro. Also at the right hand we have a modern mall. It's Malioboro Mall, I think. And yes, just look at the atmosphere. It's really good. I really like that. And also we have some bicycles. Maybe you can rent it. I don't know. And at this time the mall is closed, as you see, and other stores also are closed, and maybe one or two of them is open. So this is Yogyakarta in morning. You know, at this time it's not really hot, and Yogyakarta, the weather is really good at 7 a.m. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Apa kabar?
Baik.
Ini Newspapaer Indonesia ya?
Ya, Newspapaer Indonesia.
Saya mau satu.
Ya, yang apa? Kompas.
Ya, yang mana bagus?
Ya, Kompas.
Kompas? Oke. Oke, satu kompas.
Satu Kompas.
Oke, thank you. Berapa harga?
9.000.
Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the news. It's Compass, I think. And it's about all news about Hamas and Israel. Berperang warga sipil jadi kurban. And yes, as you see, this is Indonesian newspaper. It's so interesting. Maybe on the train I will read it. It's time to go and reaching Station Malioboro. Yes, it's Station Yogyakarta. I have arrived 1 hour earlier from my train. Now it's about 7:40 p.m. So 7:40 a.m. So let's go. I want to show you Yogyakarta station as well for you. And this is the area around the station. And from here we can go inside. As you see, at this time it's not really crowded, but let's go. Okay, it's Station Yogyakarta and I'm going back to Jakarta. Let me show you. This is Station Yogyakarta.
Gerakan laksiran kereta api taksakan dilakukan sementara di jalur 5.
As you see, we are crossing the railway and we are on the platform number 5. Number 5 is on this way. And as you see at this time, this is the atmosphere of the station. We are on the platform number 5. We will arrive at Jakarta in 3 p.m. I think. It's around 3 p.m. No, there are no seats to sit. As you see, it's full. But no problem. Oh, I think this is our train maybe. Let me show you. Maybe this is our train, I don't know. Let me show you. Okay, it's time to go. This is our train, but you know I have so many things to carry on and it's so hard to videography at this situation for me. But okay guys, it's our train. It's time to go, but as you see I have so many things to carry and it's so hard to videography. And my ticket is on 15D. I'm on 15D. So where is 15D? I don't know, I need to ask. Let me see. Yes, it's our train, let's go. Okay, let me show you. This is our kereta api. And as you see, sorry. We are on here. It's 5D. Yes. We have arrived 1 hour earlier and I think I can sleep right now good. And yeah, we will arrive at Jakarta on 3 p.m. Okay guys, now I'm at kereta api with my friend from Indonesia. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Apa kabar?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Siapa namamu?
Nama saya Wagi.
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 W-A-G-E.
Okay. So dari mana asalmu, brother?
Saya asalnya dari Yogyakarta.
Oh.
Ini sedang pulang kampung dalam rangka menengok anak saya yang sedang kuliah di UGM.
Oh, so kamu tinggal di Jakarta ya?
Iya, di Depok.
Di Depok. Assalamualaikum Depok. Oke, kamu berapa lama di Depok? Berapa lama?
Almost 30 tahun, sudah lama sekali.
30 tahun. Kamu orang asli Depok.
Aslinya Yogyakarta.
Jakarta.
Tapi sudah merantau 30 tahun yang lalu.
Kamu apa tempat favoritmu di Yogyakarta?
Di Yogyakarta banyak sekali ya. Dari pantai itu ada Parangtritis, Samas. Yang terbaru itu saya lupa. Saya baru ke sana tapi kosnya mahal sekali. Pulau Temang. You have go to there.
Yeah, I will do that.
Menyeberang pulau dengan we call getek. Jembatan getek.
So, apa makanan favoritmu di Indonesia?
Makanan favorit mungkin banyak sekali ya makanan di Indonesia. Ada tadi sate, tongseng, mie godok. Tadi malam saya baru makan mie pele di dekat alun-alun utara, itu sangat terkenal.
So, apa tempat rekomendasi untuk saya untuk makanan?
Kalau kamu kembali ke Yogyakarta, saya sarankan ke tadi malam saya baru ke sana itu kopi Pelataran itu tempatnya eksotis di tengah hutan.
Kopi.
Untuk ke sana agak susah, tapi setelah sampai sana menarik. Tidak hanya kopi, tadi makanan banyak.
Mantap, it's good information. So, terima kasih banyak. Insyaallah sehat dan sukses kamu.
Alhamdulillah, terima kasih.
Thank you. Guys, let's take a look at the outside. And wow, it's so beautiful as you see. Ini apa nama tempat ini?
Kita sampai di
Jawa Tengah.
Jawa Tengah, Mas. Purwokerto. Purwokerto, Jawa Tengah.
Jawa Tengah. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. Let me show you.
Check your luggage and belongings. Make sure that nothing is left behind. For your safety.
As you see, outside is so beautiful. Ini untuk rice, untuk nasi.
Iya,
padi.
Kita akan menanam padi nanti menjadi rice.
Oh, wow, it's so beautiful as you see. Indonesia is so beautiful. Now we are on Jawa Tengah, and as you see outside, it's so beautiful. Let me show you. I really like that. And you know, maybe the price of this train is equal to airplane, but I suggest you to try this because you can enjoy outside. Luar biasa. Okay, finally I have arrived at Station Gambir in Jakarta, Indonesia, and now it's 3 p.m. We started our trip on 8:45 a.m. and now it's 3 p.m. Okay guys, it's today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe.